More Jessica, please, for a little bit of everything. Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Gucci Marmont belt. I think I'm saying that right, the thin one. It's currently going for $390 on Gucci's website. Me being a plus size girl, yes, I'm claiming it. I'm plus size at the moment. Love the body you're in. I was nervous if it was going to fit or not, but y'all, it looks good, okay? But let's just unbox it really quickly. Let's first get into this packaging. That's how the box came. Super cute, very inviting. It has a little note on it. I was expecting something great, but it's just telling you how to return it. In addition to the return instructions, they send you a tote bag. This is really great for Chicago. We pay 7 cents a bag at the grocery stores if you don't bring a reusable one. I know, right? That is bonkers. Don't mind that cup. That's just my own personal medicine ball. Decided not to go to Starbucks. But anywho, yeah, that's just some little paper on the side. And then let's get into the good stuff. We know what this is. Gucci has amazing packaging presentation. They wrap it up like a present. You feel like you just got a gift, and you kind of did. You just bought it for yourself. At least I did. I bought the gift for myself. But yeah, I'm just getting through the ribbon, one-handing this whole process. So please give me grace. Couldn't find my tripod, but I wanted to at least get this filmed for you all so you know what to expect if you also order this belt. But it comes in really nice tissue paper. I just knocked it out of the tissue paper, but it's a gorgeous material, like even the tissue paper. And the belt itself comes in a dust bag. I'm not familiar with this type of dust bag. It's kind of cool, a little vintage looking. And then here's what we've been waiting for, the actual belt. Once you get it out, it's very nice and protected. They have the metal G's wrapped up in a foam-like material. I'm actually going to keep that for when I store the belt. And then the tag was really huge and I couldn't get it out. But this is the belt and it is polished to perfection. That is the belt bling blinging on the camera. No diamonds needed. I didn't want anything too flashy. Gold's not really my color. I like silver. So here we are. I'm very happy with this purchase. Another reason why I went with silver over the iconic gold Gucci belt is that this bag. I already purchased this bag. I have a whole YouTube video on it. I actually got it from Nordstrom's rack. So I wanted to ensure that my belt, went along with it. A little matchy up in here. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Here's a few more photos of the belt. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.